What's going on, y'all? I know you seen the thumbnail. And look what we got. We got some jumbo sized shrimp, some onion, some celery, and we finna eat good, y'all. We finna eat good. And yet, while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. You know that's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, let's get it. So first thing first, let's go ahead and rain on them. Hit them with a little salt, pepper, and of course, a little garlic powder, y'all. Then we're gonna go ahead and rub those seasonings in. Get them all over them shrimp. Into a small cast iron skillet, we're gonna add in 1 stick of butter, or onions, or celery, and our garlic. As soon as our butter starts bubbling up, it's time to add in them shrimp, y'all. All these ingredients will be done at the same time. And these shrimp aren't gonna take any time to cook, y'all. We're talking 2 minutes aside. So after 2 minutes, gonna give them a quick flip. Just a little stir. Now for mine, after another 2 minutes, mine are done. See what they looking like? Oh yeah, that's what you want. Now, cooking time gonna differ from your size. But I had mine straight over a baked potato. A nice big jumbo sized baked potato too, y'all. But anyway, let's dig into this dish. Of course, that baked potato, you can never lose eating that baked potato. In my opinion, you know I'm a meat, potatoes, and rice type of guy. Shrimp came out great. So tasty, y'all. So tasty. Oh yeah, y'all, I always love me a good shrimp. I don't know about y'all, but man, that shrimp is always number one in my book. You know, I had this phase where I started liking lobster a little bit more, but nah, I had to go back to that shrimp, y'all. Really did. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.